In this video, I will show you how to use Claude Code in Vscode terminal. So for this, at first, you will just open a browser and here search Claude Code. Okay. Then you will go to this website. And now, so you need to click this read documentation. And here you will see how to install Claude Code step by step. Okay. So at first, here you can see if you're using macOS, Linux, or WSL, you will have this curly script. You will have to copy it and then open terminal and install it. Okay. If you are using Windows PowerShell, then this is the script and the Windows command prompt is here. So if you are a Windows user, you will have both options here. You just copy it and then open PowerShell and then paste this script and press enter. It will work. So for me, actually, this script, I will simply copy it. Then I will open the terminal and then paste here, then press enter. If I press enter, then it will install on my machines. I have already done that. So how to verify it actually? When you have installed successfully, you will simply type Claude space dash dash version. So if you press enter, you will see the version. If you need the installation video, just check this video description. I will put the video link in the video description. Okay, so there you can just install Claude Code. And now I will show you how to use it on Visual Studio Code. Okay, so for this, we will open Visual Studio Code. And right now here, at first, you will open a project directory. I will go to my project directory and let me create a new project folder. Here, we'll say this is Claude tutorial and we will drag this folder here. Right now, this is empty. We don't have any files and folder here. Okay. Then simply what you will do, look, you will open the terminal. So if you want to access Claude in the terminal, then you will open the terminal here. Then you will simply type Claude and then press enter. You will see something like this. Here, you need to choose a theme. By default, dark theme is selected, but you can change theme by using your down and up arrow key. And you can see the preview here. Okay, we will go with the dark theme and then press enter. Here, three ways you need to log into your Claude account. You can go with Claude subscription. If you have a Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise account, then you can use it. So to log into your Claude account, and then we'll have the second option, Anthropic Console account. So if you are using Anthropic Console platform to buy API credit, then you will go to the second one. And then third one is for third party platform like Amazon Bedrock, Microsoft Foundry, or Vertex UI. So the thing is that you don't use Claude model free. So there is no way if you search tutorials thousand and thousand, you cannot get a single tutorial that show you how to bypass Claude. So you should either use a pro plan or you should either purchase their API credit from Anthropic, the official channel. Either you can just go to Claude AI and then so from this, from your profile, you can just click this upgrade plan. And now you can just buy a plan for your Claude AI. Okay. So right now I am using Pro account or another way, you can just go to platform.claude.com and here if you have an account and then if you buy API credits, so here you need to buy API credits, then you can actually go with it. There is no other options. So either just buy a Claude subscription or just create a console account and buy credit. So I have already the pro account. So I will go with the first one. Simply let me click here. And now it will redirect to here. We need to log into my account. So I will continue with Google. Let me choose my account and then continue. Finally, we will authorize. If you authorize it and back here, you can see login successful, press enter to continue. I will simply press enter. Now you will see it's a security note. Claude can make mistake and due to prompt injection risks, use only it with code you trust. You should just read this security note and then press enter. Here, would you like Claude Code in terminal setup? Yes, with recommended setting. I will go with the first one. Yes, use recommended setting. And here, so this is a new feature. Try the new full screen renderer. Okay, we will try it. And now you will see the interface. I'm using Claude Pro account. And right now the model is selected Sonnet 5. Okay, so here you are now able to use Claude Code in VS Code terminal. Here you can just try to build something or say hi. Then you can see it's replying. So now let me show you a practical demo. I will need to create a Next.js project here. Okay. So I will say set up a Next.js project with Tailwind CSS and Shatcn CNUI. Okay. And also use TypeScript. Okay. Then I will simply send this prompt and see if Claude is able to create a Next.js project for me. Let me press enter, and now you can see it's start working. So it will just take few permissions you need to do. Let me just give it yes, and now you can see it's very fast. When you use official Cloud model, it's very fast. It's create all the files and folder here within a few seconds. So you can see, okay, so setup complete. It's created Next.js app using app router, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS version 4, and SATC and UI. Okay, so to see what you will have to do, you will have to command npm run dev to start the development server. Okay, here let me tell Claude to run our server. Let me press enter. It's trying to run our server. And here is the localhost URL. You can simply copy this URL. And now back to your browser, simply take a new tab, press enter, and you can see this is your Next.js project created. Okay. And I hope you understand how you can use Claude Code in VS Code terminal.